ISO 20163 2023 Standard IRIS Revision 04 Implementation for Railway Industry. Hello and welcome. If you are a railway wagon repair workshop, rolling stock manufacturer, or railway equipment supplier, and you are aiming to enter or strengthen your position in the global railway supply chain, this video is for you. Today we will deep dive into ISO 22163 2023, also known as IRIS Revision 04, and how a structured engineering driven implementation approach can transform your organization not just for certification but for sustainable operational excellence. This is brought to you by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, your partner in railway quality systems and engineering consulting. Now, industry context. The railway industry today is undergoing rapid transformation driven by increasing safety and reliability expectations, globalization of railway supply chains, digitalization and smart maintenance systems, strict compliance requirements from OEMs and operators. Major players like Alstom, Siemens, Bombardier Transportation, and Indian Railway suppliers now require IRIS certification as a baseline qualification. Without ISO 22163 compliance, organizations risk losing access to high value contracts, facing repeated audit failures, inefficiencies in quality and project execution. Now section 2. What is ISO 22163 2023? ISO 22163 2023 is a globally recognized quality management system standard specifically designed for the railway sector. It is based on ISO 9001 but with additional railway specific requirements such as project management integration, RAMS reliability, availability, maintainability, safety, life cycle cost LCC considerations, configuration management, special process validation, first article inspection FAI and PPAP. The latest version IRIS Revision 04 emphasizes process maturity and performance, risk-based thinking, measurable KPIs, digital and data-driven decision making. Now, key technical requirements. Let us break down the critical technical pillars of ISO 22163 implementation. First, process-based management system. Organizations must define core, support, and management processes, process interactions and sequence, KPIs for each process. Each process is evaluated on maturity levels, not just documentation. Then next is project management integration. Unlike ISO 9001, IRIS requires structured project planning, milestone tracking, risk and opportunity management, cross-functional coordination. Then risk-based thinking. Organizations must identify and mitigate risks related to product quality, supply chain, production processes, safety critical components. Tools like FMEA, risk registers, and mitigation plans are essential. Then next, configuration and change management. Every design or process change must be controlled, documented, approved, traceable. This is critical in railway systems where safety is non-negotiable. Then next is supplier quality management. A strong focus on vendor qualification, performance monitoring, incoming inspection systems, supplier audits. Then next, special process validation. Processes like welding, heat treatment, non-destructive testing must be validated and controlled since their output cannot be fully verified later. Maintenance and life cycle management, especially important for wagon repair workshops. Preventive and predictive maintenance, overhaul procedures, life cycle documentation. Then section 4, implementation challenges. Many organizations struggle due to treating IRIS as a documentation exercise, lack of engineering integration, poor understanding of process maturity, weak KPI systems, inadequate training. This leads to audit non-conformities, delayed certification, ineffective systems. Now, URGS approach. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we follow a practical engineering driven implementation model. Step 1, gap analysis. We benchmark your current system against ISO 22163 requirements. Step 2, system design. We develop process maps, SOPs, quality manuals, KPI frameworks. Step 3, implementation. We work with your team on soft floor integration, process control, documentation deployment. Step 4, training. We build competency in internal audits, risk management, process monitoring. Step 5, audit readiness. We conduct mock audits, non-conformity closure, certification support. Then section C, business benefits. With proper implementation, organizations achieve improved product quality and reliability, higher customer confidence, access to global railway OEMs, reduced rework and failures, strong process control and traceability. Most importantly, it transforms your organization from reactive to proactive. Now at last, ISO 22163 is not just a certification. It is a strategic enabler for growth in the railway industry. If you are serious about entering global railway supply chains, improving operational excellence, achieving IRIS certification efficiently, then you need a partner who understands both engineering and compliance. Get in touch with URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Let us build a future ready, compliant and high performance railway organization together. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.